Welcome to Janet's Planet, where we are traveling at the speed of galaxy candied apples. This year, I'm following a different recipe. Before we do anything, prepare a pot of boiling water, and then take your apples, just drop them in there. We're not cooking them. All we're doing is we're just making sure that that wax comes off of them. Good work. All right. Now, the one thing we want to make sure is that they are good and dry. Just want to poke down in there. That way we'll have something easy to hold on to when we're dipping it into our candied apple mixture. So you want to get a saucepan. So 2 cups of granulated sugar. So there's half a cup. And then here's another half, making that 1 cup of this light corn syrup. I'm going to start stirring, and it is also going to ask us to add in about a half to a 3/4 cup of water. And I think I'm going to start with a half a cup of water, and then I can always add some more. Everything that I read says you really want to use a candy thermometer. So just attach it to your pan just like that, so that the thermometer is sitting down in it. It's like we've gotten this all mixed together. This is a great time to roll it up. Now, I'm also using gel food coloring. All right, got that blue in there. Ooh, that's gonna look at how gorgeous that's going to be. Oh, wow. This should really be great. Okay, I'm just gonna let that bubble for a minute. It's rising on up there. Like I said, we're trying to get it to be about 300 degrees. So now that we're at 300, this is marvelous. All right, let's see what happens. So we're gonna dip. Are you kidding me? Are these the most beautiful things you've ever seen in your life? Wowza, yowza. I am tickled that this works so well. This color, I hope it is as stunning on camera as I am seeing it in real life. Would you look at that? This color is absolutely brilliant. That the best way to do this dazzle glitter is just to kind of flake it over there. So there you have it. Galaxy candied apples, pretty cosmic and delicious too.